In this video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage an other website to scale up your Amazon KDP business. And at the end of this video, you should be able to use the ideas generated from this video to make massive sales for yourself, especially those of you in the low content niche, right? And before I forget, my name is Olabisi Ashishana, and I'm an online entrepreneur and a content creator. In this channel, I share tips, strategies, and opportunities you can leverage on to make money online for yourself. If content like this interests you, do well to subscribe, do well to like, and do well to share. Right? Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the business of today. Websites for research. These are other websites outside Amazon that you can leverage on and make good money for yourself, especially for those in the low content niche, those into journals, those into workbook. You can generate ideas from these websites and make massive sale for yourself. Okay, so the first website we're going to look at is magazines.com. This is the first website we're going to be looking at. So let's go to our browser and launch in. So I've opened it down here. It's just magazine.com. It's just magazine. Okay, this is magazine.com, and what we do here is to look for ideas we can use to generate our books, right? So for any book to be here, on this platform, it shows that it has been well researched and people are interested in it, right? So you just want to see if there is any new thing here. All recipes, the best of summer. Okay, just want to scroll down. Traditional home, Midwest living, food and wine, travel and journal plus leisure. You can actually come up with travel plus leisure journal. Okay, let's quickly go to Amazon and see if we have something like that. Okay, now we are on Amazon here, and I just type in that travel and leisure journal and look at what I'm saying. 142 results. Do you understand? Do you see that? So this is another niche. There are a lot of niches I've gotten through this way, and I've been able to make massive sales for myself. Do you understand? This is another one, this travel checklist journal. This is a traveler planner journal. You can see this is interesting. So you can just open this and see what the person is doing, and you model the book, right? So page travel journal, travel plus leisure, unexpected. It's a travel plus leisure unexpected journal. These are journals, travel journal, Kids Travel Guide, UK and London. You can see this, and this is making massive sales. So that's what we are talking about. That's what we are talking about. This other website also helps us to do our research and will make good sales. This is 142 results. It shows that it's a good niche. If you can do like journals in this niche, you definitely make sales. Like 5 different journals in this niche, like for kids, for people. This Alaska Travels Journal, Norway Travels Journal. You can see you definitely make sales. This is how I use this website to make good sales for yourself. So that's that about that. I don't want the video to be too long. If you are here to watch my other video on how I told you to research on Amazon, do what to do that. So thoughtful.com, just thoughtful.com, I've opened it down. So thoughtful.com, this is actually a website for where they print cards. This is actually a website where they print cards, gifts, anniversary, birthday. You can see birthday, funny, rude. Let's click on rude. Let's click on rude. This is actually helping us to generate a good sense of humor, maybe for our notebook, for our journals. We will still search now. Now let's see. Happy birthday. This is the nursing home doing arts and crafts. Okay. A little birdie told me that it was a birthday, and I was like, fuck me, it's a talking bird. Okay. Okay. Today is all about you. Okay. Okay, my sister, talented, wonderful, amazing, terrific. Okay, happy birthday. Interesting. So you can, I mean, you can model something like this and just put it on your journal or on your notebook. Yeah. And you'll be surprised that it's going to make sales. My brother, talented, wonderful, amazing, terrific. Okay. You can say my mom. Yeah, my mom for mother's birthday. Yeah, for mom's birthday. You can say talented, wonderful, amazing, disciplinarian. Do you understand? So for mother's birthday, just for sister's birthday, for I mean, so this is another one. Pretty fucking rude of you to be the youngest than me. But whatever. Interesting. You can just model this. Like, I don't know, just come up with something, just rephrase it. You can model this. Don't copy word for word from this site. Just rephrase it. It's just a website to give you an idea of things. Now let's go to anniversary for husband. Okay. Another year I didn't keep another interesting, there's something like you can come up with an idea with anniversary journal, anniversary notebook. Do you understand? So you can put this in front of your book cover, in front of your notebook. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. This is Amazon anniversary. They might be saturated already, but I just want to show you. I'm not doing research here. If you're here to watch my video on how to do proper research, go ahead and do that. So, the anniversary journals for couples, anniversary journal for wife. Do you see that? So we search anniversary journal for husband. You can also search for anniversary. Okay, now let's go to anniversary journal for wife. Let's see. All right. So after 29 years, you're still the best wife. Keep that shit up. Interesting, right? So you can do something like this too, something like this, but not something like this with something different. Like we saw here, like okay, another year I didn't kill your sleep by snoring, right? You can put that another year as my husband. You lucky man. Okay, I still love you even though your your sneeze are ridiculously over dramatic. Okay, so today we celebrate the best decision you have ever made. Happy anniversary. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So you can model. I can't believe I have managed. This is a good sense of humor, but you might not write this. Can't believe I've managed to stay married to you all this while. For the past 20 years, I can't believe managed to stay married to you. Do you understand what I'm saying? This is where you get good sense of humor, and you'll be surprised by the time you just put it on your book, on your journal, your notebooks. You can start seeing massive sales. I've used this method to make massive sales. Yeah, so you also want to jump on it. You also want to jump on it. I know you also want to jump on it. I don't know if it's our this this is so touching, right? This is so touching. So you want to do something. I hope you get the idea. So let's move on to Love Lela. There's also another printing cards website, birthday card, anniversary card, wedding and engagement, health care card, cancer cards, donor cards, get well soon cards. You can see this. Let's click on that, get well soon card. It's better to be full of wine than full of shit. An apple a day keeps anyone away if you throw it hard enough. Okay, this is not bad. Get well soon. Attention seeking twat. This I can't wait to see your new booties. Okay, everyone knew what briefly. Oh, wow, this is very, very nice. I never knew what bravery was until I heard what you went through. So this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. So you can do that. You can do that. Get well. The next one is Redbubble. Redbubble is a print on demand website, but we can also get ideas from. Okay, let's go to clothing. Let's go to shirts. But also generate ideas from this website, right? So we are on Redbubble. So okay, still loading. Oh, some is already popping up. The whole idea is to I choose violence. Okay, okay. We can. The whole idea is to get things we can put on our journal, on our notebook. The bodalicious period. So okay, what a time to be alive. This can be another idea. What a time to be an alive notebook. Sorry I'm late, I didn't want to come. This can also be another idea. Like I said, model it. You can put it on your notebook, on your journal. So that's that about that. It's still loading. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, we can put some like I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm trying, or but I'm striving, or something like that. Do you understand? Just make something good out of. Um. Okay. Just something like that. So you can put it on your notebook, on your journals, just for you to get ideas. So from there, we go what other websites? Creative Fabrica. We've talked about magazine, we've talked about it. Okay, another just website is Pinterest. I didn't put that there. Pinterest. So you can come to Pinterest and just type in, let's say, Easter funny quotes. Okay, Easter funny quotes, Easter humor hilarious. Let's okay. Let's say Easter funny quotes. So this can help you generate ideas. You can also do lawyer funny quotes, doctors ideas. I mean, doctor funny quotes, nurses funny quotes. Do you understand? Just name it. Can keep throwing down. This is nice. You can keep throwing that, but like I said, don't copy or model. You can always change the concept, but just to give you an idea, you can keep straying down, you can keep straying down and say, okay. So you can, after that, you can also go to Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica is actually a website where people drop their work for sales. So the whole idea is just to see what people are dropping that can also help you in your research. Okay, here we are on Creative Fabrica. Then you can come to graphics. Then come to graphics. You want to check, go to once you are here on graphics, We want to come to KDP interiors. KDP interiors. So this gives you different ideas. You can see under a table cover template. These people selling this. You can get cover anxiety and 2004 planner KDP interior. So people are selling this. So what? Okay, KDP competition notebook. People are selling this. 50 editable Canva templates. But though you can now come to sort by popularity, sort by latest. So it helps us say, okay, crossword puzzle, gratitude journal. Okay, let's say this. Crossword puzzle books for adults. Okay, now you can now go to your Amazon and search it and know if it's a profitable niche. Okay, so we are on Amazon now. We came to touch a crossword puzzle book for adults, and we can see that it's over 10,000 search results. So it's oversaturated. So let us just don't bother. But you can still need niche down for men, for female. Do you understand? So and see if you're going to see a profitable niche. But that about that. That's about that. That's how you can leverage these different websites to also make sales for yourself, to do more research on Amazon and make massive sales for yourself. Hope you got value from this video. So if you got value from this video, do well to give this a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section to let me answer all your questions. If you're still confused, let me answer all your questions, and also do well to share this to family and friends. Thank you very much, and God bless you.